Linda Ballou, and I'm the author of Get Great Trips for Free, How to Make Travel Writing Work for You. And I think the main thing you should know is that successful people are people who position themselves for success. And that's what I'm suggesting that you do right now. Instead of being gloomy because you have to stay at home and all of your activities have been changed or put on hold or I don't know what, but let's make good use of this time. Well, if you want to be a travel writer, what you have to do is build a platform. You need to mine your experiences, your journals and so forth, and get story ideas. I mean, if you've taken trips, you must be a traveler, so you must have experiences that you can share. But you need to get online and you need to take some writing classes. You need to figure out how to write a good article. You need to build a platform. You need to have a website. You need to learn how to take pictures. My goodness, that's going to keep you very busy for at least a year. And by that time, the tourist industry will be back in full swing. So you will be in position to take advantage of that, to present yourself to companies as a professional. And that's what I suggest you do in my book. It's worked for me. I've gotten fabulous trips all over the world. And it's pretty easy. Once you get going, I think you'll find that it's fun. So that's why I wrote Get Great Trips for free.